India is a land of diverse cultures, traditions, and, of course, stunning sari. In our previous video, we explored some of the most exquisite sari that define India's rich textile heritage. But there's so much more to discover. In this video, we continue our journey through India's states, unraveling the magic behind more traditional sari that have stood the test of time. So, if you love sari or want to learn about their history, stay tuned till the end. Assam, the majestic Muga silk sari. We begin our journey in Assam, home to the magnificent Muga silk sari. Woven from the rare and exclusive Muga silk, these sari have a distinctive golden yellow luster that only enhances with time and wear. Muga silk comes from a special silkworm species called Antaraya assamensis, which is unique to Assam. Historically, Muga silk was reserved for the Ahom royalty due to its richness and durability. Even today, an authentic Muga silk sari is considered a symbol of prestige and heritage. What makes it special? Unlike other silks, Muga silk doesn't lose its shine. It actually becomes shinier with each wash. That's why these sari are often passed down through generations as family heirlooms. Madhya Pradesh, the elegant Maheshwari sari. Moving to central India, we reach Madhya Pradesh, where the famous Maheshwari sari originates. Named after the historic town of Maheshwar, this sari has a royal connection. Legend has it that Queen Ahilyabai Holkar of the Maratha Empire personally designed this sari in the 18th century. She wanted a textile that was both elegant and lightweight, ideal for warm weather. Today, Maheshwari sari are woven from a blend of cotton and silk, making them perfect for everyday wear as well as festive occasions. They are known for their sophisticated zari borders and traditional motifs inspired by the architecture of Maheshwar Fort. Common patterns include geometric shapes, floral designs, and stripes, making them a blend of simplicity and grandeur. If you're looking for a graceful yet comfortable sari, Maheshwari should be on your list. Odisha, the timeless Bomkai sari. Next, we travel to the vibrant state of Odisha, where the Bomkai sari, also known as Sonpuri, is crafted with intricate precision. Bomkai sari are a unique combination of ikat weaving and extra weft technique embroidery, giving them a distinctive texture and depth. The designs often feature tribal art, mythological stories, and motifs inspired by nature, such as birds, fish, and temple patterns. What makes Bomkai sari truly special is their beautifully contrasting pallu that often has intricate threadwork, adding a dramatic appeal to the drape. These sari are available in both silk and cotton, making them versatile for various occasions, whether it's a festival or everyday wear. Karnataka, distinctive Ilkal sari now. Let's head to Karnataka, where the Ilkal sari stands as a testament to traditional craftsmanship. One of the most unique aspects of an Ilkal sari is its pallu attachment technique, known as tope tani. Unlike other sari, where the pallu is woven continuously with the rest of the fabric, Ilkal sari have their pallu attached separately using a special knotting method. These sari are known for their bold color contrast, temple-style borders, and striking pallus, often featuring red, maroon, and deep green shades. Originally, Ilkal sari were woven exclusively for royalty and temple priests, but today, they are cherished by sari lovers across India. The fabric is available in cotton, silk, or a blend of both, making it comfortable to wear while still exuding a regal appeal. Rajasthan, the lightweight Kota Doria sari. Our final stop takes us to Rajasthan, home to the Kota Doria sari. Known for its sheer, lightweight fabric, This sari is perfect for summer and humid climates. Kota Doria sari are crafted in Kota and Bandi regions, where weavers use a special weaving technique called kat, which forms tiny square-shaped patterns throughout the fabric. This structure makes the sari both airy and durable. Traditionally, these sari were woven from pure cotton, but today, weavers incorporate silk threads to add a slight sheen and extra softness to the fabric. The elegant simplicity of Kota Doria sari makes them a popular choice for both casual and formal occasions. If you love light and breathable sari that drape beautifully, Kota Doria is a must-have. India's sari are not just garments, they are woven stories of heritage, craftsmanship and culture. From the golden elegance of Assam's Muga silk to the breezy grace of Rajasthan's Kota Doria, each sari holds a unique place in the heart of Indian fashion. Which of these sari caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about Indian textiles, stay tuned for our next video.